Moving on, Apple gave us some more marketing tools. That's better than nothing. So let's pick an app, right? Instagram is what they're kind of giving me. So you would type in your app name. I don't have Creator View up on the App Store yet, so I can't do that. So I'll use Instagram as an example. But you can put any app name in here you like. And here you get new app update, subscription offer, new offer, whatever you're doing, right? And then you can change the background. It's super simple, right? But it's better than nothing. And then, you can get story assets, Twitter, like 16:9 assets, or Square for Instagram. Again, if you have a designer or you have some design skills yourself, I highly recommend making like your own custom ones. But if you don't have that, this is better than nothing. And I'm very appreciative that they're providing some tools that pretty much anybody can come in, use this, and promote your new app, your new updates, new subscription offers, all that stuff. This was a clip from an iOS development news show that I put out on a monthly basis. If you like this sort of stuff and you want to see the complete show, check out my channel. I got a whole playlist of them. And if you want to check out Swift news as it's released, I put it out at the beginning of every month. See you in the next one.